Welcome to Arvig's new webmail service. Arvig's webmail service is easy to use on any device and comes with antivirus and spam protection. Let me show you around. The first time you log into webmail from arvig.net, use your existing login credentials. After you sign in for the first time, you will be prompted to create a new password. After successfully creating your new password, webmail will automatically log you out. Log back in using your new password you just created. How to log into your Arvig email. Go to www.webmail.arvig.com. Then put in your full email address, including @arvig.net, and your password. Then click Sign In. You are now signed in to your Arvig email. How to create a recovery email address. Click on the square, go to Settings, Accounts, Security Questions, Edit. You can pick from a number of questions. Please make sure that they are secure and hard to figure out. And then go down and click Save. Next, you can enter your recovery email address. Please make sure it is not the email address that you are currently using. And now you're all set up. How to change your webmail password. Click on the grid, click on Settings, click on Change Password. Enter your current password, then type in your new password, and then click OK. Your new password is now set and you will be able to log in with your new password. How to compose an email. Within Webmail, click on the plus icon on the bottom right-hand corner. From there, you'll see a pop-up. Type in the email address you're trying to send to, add the subject, and then to add something into the email, and then click Send. That is how you send email from your Arvig webmail account. To edit spam, click the grid, go to Settings, go down to Manage Spam, click Edit. Here you can change the classification of your spam and how much it's going to block. To add somebody to the whitelist or a domain, type it here. To blacklist somebody, type here either their email address or their domain. Then click Save.